Hello guys! Today's video is probably the last Sonic video before he becomes free. So Sonic needs one more ultimate move to become free. And it's already been leaked. And judging by how many leaks we've gotten, it's safe to say Sonic's fourth ult move is probably finished behind the scenes. Here's what the creator of the game said. We've been getting leaks about Saitama and this early access character too. Meaning that the next content update we will get these moves. I've also heard that Saturday, which is tomorrow, we will be getting an update. And hopefully Sonic will be finished. Like in sub if Speed or Sound Sonic should be free. Bye guys!